Mexico, emerging economy in full swing, with vision, where the future encounters its path. Through its maritime, aerial, road, and railway networks, it is a key piece in the development of the economy of America and the world. WTC Industrial is strategically located in San Luis Potosi, motor trade and heart of the country. The NAFTA corridors, both highway and railroad, pass through San Luis Potosi and lodge in WTC Industrial. The park is perfectly linked to the most important ports and borders in the Pacific with Manzanillo and Lázaro Cárdenas, in the Gulf of Mexico with Altamira and Veracruz, and in the north with Laredo, the most important Mexican border. The main access road to the park, Road 140, will connect to the west of the city. The road will be expanded from 2 to 6 lanes, facilitating access to the main supply of skilled labor force, that is, San Luis Potosi capital. In San Luis Potosi, there are 57,000 students enrolled in upper levels of education, creating technicians, skilled technicians, and higher professionals. We have 92 universities and technical schools, from which 60 are located in the metropolitan area, connected to WTC Industrial with 2 direct 15-kilometer access routes. WTC Industrial consists of 4 main areas: Intermodal Terminal, Free Trade Zone, Industrial Park, ongoing projects. Intermodal Terminal. The NAFTA Railroad goes through WTC Industrial, where the largest intermodal terminal in the country is located, run and operated by Kansas City Southern. This terminal provides services to companies not only in the state of San Luis Potosi, but in states such as Querétaro, Guanajuato, Zacatecas, Aguascalientes, and even Jalisco. It has a customs office on site and an inbound yard, carrying out import and export operations. The terminal handles over 350,000 TEUs a year. Free Trade Zone. This Free Trade Zone is the first one operating in the country, with internationally renowned companies such as Central Star Logistics, Midori Hansen, Motomex, and ABB. The Free Trade Zone offers advantages such as cash flow improvements, increase on safety and security with no stops at borders, airports, and seaports. No harmonized system code classification. The merchandise can stay up to 60 months on consignment. Containers arrive to their final destination with their original seals from the shipping company and the supplier. Industrial Park. The complex consists of a total of 700 hectares. 100 are occupied by the intermodal terminal, another 100 for the upcoming fluids and general cargo terminal, while the other 500 hectares make our portfolio of services: land for sale, build-to-suit projects, inventory buildings for lease, showrooms and warehouses inside the Free Trade Zone next to the customs office, as well as sale and lease back projects. WTC Industrial attracts foreign direct investment from all around the world. The park offers the best infrastructure, digital lines and optical fiber, private and abundant water supply provided by our fire protection system in compliance with NFPA and factory mutual standards, electric supply of 13.2 kV, and redundancy in high tension with 115 kV and 230 kV. Natural gas, sewage and storm drainage systems, private and public transportation, surveillance 24/7, 365 days a year, as well as CCTV in the whole complex. Green infrastructure is our top of mind, solar panels for street lighting, 2 state-of-the-art water treatment facilities, infrastructure certified by the norm R46, as well as a certification by Profepa on environmental quality. Ongoing projects. On top of the already fully equipped and modern facilities that we have to offer, there are growth ongoing projects that will improve the services conveniently available inside WTC Industrial. A convenience store, laundry service, a daycare center, comfortable suites, a health clinic, and a commercial area will soon be available to all our clients. The new Alpha building, on the other hand, will house the Scientific and Technological Linkage Center for Innovation, as well as several logistics providers. The STLC for Innovation is a platform that will bond key research and educational institutions with the industry, offering certifications, workshops, and its whole global linkage network. The Alpha building will also offer tenants of WTC Industrial various solutions given by customs brokers, headhunters, logistics agents, software providers, legal and fiscal support, language centers, among other important logistics services. A new spur system is being developed in the coming fluids and cargo terminal, providing railroad services like cross-dock, silos, powders and grains to the mining and mineral industries, as well as for other breakable cargo. WTC Industrial responds to the needs of today's world and attends to the market's ever-growing demands using only the best and more efficient tools for economic development, always making its commitment with every client evident and grand. The constant exploitation of all its competitive attributes makes it the ideal option for companies looking for the top logistics and real estate advantages in the market. WTC Industrial, where industry meets business.